Hello guys, in this video we will talk about the unknown history of AI. Let's start. The idea of artificial intelligence originated in ancient mythology, with constructs like talos and automatons. In the 18th and 19th centuries, philosophers speculated about the possibility of machines that could think. In the 1940s and 1950s, the first modern AI programs were developed. These early AI programs focused on symbolic reasoning and knowledge representation. Examples include logic theorems, chess programs, and expert systems. This era is known as good old-fashioned AI, GoFi. In the late 1950s, AI researchers realized that GoFi was limited and faced bugs that couldn't be solved. This is known as the AI winter, where funding for AI research declined. In the 1980s and 1990s, a new approach emerged using neural networks and machine learning. This led to breakthroughs in pattern recognition, computer vision, and speech recognition. Since 2000, we have seen rapid advancement and applications of AI due to faster computers, big data, and improved algorithms. Deep learning and deep neural networks have been particularly successful. Recently, AI has achieved performances matching and exceeding humans in areas like image recognition, speech recognition, and complex games like chess. That is all today. Thanks for your attention.